Good morning, happy Tuesday. It is October 2nd and it's race week. This Sunday is the big day. All of my runs have been easy this week, meaning yesterday and today. I've one more on Thursday and then we rest. 3 complete rest days today. Lots of stretching, going to bed early, need my sleep, and yeah, good nutrition, all of those little things. So yeah, feeling good. The nerves haven't quite hit me. They probably will on Friday or Saturday, I think. Yeah, it is 8:04. We are going to a concert tonight. I live on Vancouver Island, so most of the concerts are in Vancouver on the mainland, so we will be catching the ferry, leaving in about an hour and a half, so I do have a bit of time to kind of get myself ready. But yeah, we are going to see Jay-Z and Beyonce. I am so excited. I bought these tickets like before the summertime and the day is finally here, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, if you guys saw my vlog from last week, it was a little bit on the shorter side. Yeah, do you guys like longer videos? Do you like shorter ones? Let me know. This half marathon race week will be shorter, and I haven't decided if I'm going to do like a separate one for race day. I don't know. I guess you guys will see at the end of the video. So yeah, I am going to get myself ready and I will see you guys later. Hi everyone, it is Friday Eve, also known as Thursday. Last run is done, and with that, my training's over. It's crazy to think that 10 weeks have gone by, but there's 3 more sleeps left until the Good Life Victoria Fitness Half Marathon, and I am so excited. The taper has been good to me. I did 5 kilometers tonight, pretty easy, threw in a couple strides in the last kilometer to get my legs turning over a bit faster, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling ready for Sunday. Yeah, 3 more sleeps and then it's time to do the damn thing, so I can't wait. I'm like that nervous type of excitement, which I think is very normal. It's something I've experienced many a time, so I'm not unfamiliar with the whole song and dance. It just is always the same. Like, you always feel nervous but excited, and I'm just really excited for that race day energy, so I can't wait. I'm so excited to see what I can do on Sunday. I'm in a good place. The taper has been good to me, and we went to a concert on Tuesday night, Jay-Z and Beyonce, so it's just been like the best week, and my head's in a good place, and I'm just feeling like relaxed but confident but excited. A little smidgen of nervousness, but overall I'm feeling really good and I'm excited for Sunday. So yay, 2 more rest days. On Saturday I go and pick up my number and all my race stuff, and then Sunday is the big day. So yahoo, here we go. so the expo is done. Picked up my race stuff, and I also found Ryan a shirt and a hat. I'll show you guys that when I get back to my car. But, oh my god, tomorrow is the day. Make some magic tomorrow. I'm feeling really good and even more excited now that I have my race number and my shirt, and it's gonna be so fun. Yay! Back home now. This is our race shirt by New Balance. I like these long sleeves for the fall time. And I also picked up this hat from New Balance. I'm a sucker for hats, so this will be perfect in the fall. It is very reflective as well, which is always good. And then probably my favorite thing that I got, excuse my unmade bed, was this shirt for Ryan. How funny is this? I don't do marathons, I do a marathon runner. I couldn't not get it. So yeah, that is the expo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For the rest of the day, I'm just gonna hang out, have my pre-race pasta, and then in the next vlog, it'll be race day and thoughts about race day, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!